Hi girls, this is Shikha and welcome. Before I start this video, let me tell you that you can consider my body shape as in between of apple and pear body shape. I very easily attract weight around my stomach and lower torso. Usually people don't believe on my words because I dress up in a way that nobody can guess out which my body type is. What could be more soothing than this lemonish shade floral print Georgette sari in this summer, and I have paired it with Zara basic blouse which is little longer than the normal blouse and cover my stomach well. And to complete the look, I have kept the jewelry really very minimal by considering just a pearl chain with the pearl studs on my ears. Every time I style this sari, I try to create a new look. Not only because I'm fond of styling, mixing, and matching, but also because I don't have the blouse of this sari. So, here is a tip for all those my lovely ladies who do not fit in their old blouses. Before you go to market, match a new blouse and get it stitched, kindly explore your wardrobe. You will get few pieces which will really complement your sari. This peplum top is also one of the experiments in those things. All you have to take care while mixing and matching is you have to complement your look with the accessories, right kind of accessories. एक्चुअली अगर मैंने इंडो वेस्टर्न लुक बनाया है तो मुझे उसके साथ इंडो वेस्टर्न काइंड ऑफ एसेसरीज़ या वेस्टर्न काइंड ऑफ एसेसरीज़ ही पेयर करनी चाहिए. और अगर मैंने प्रॉपर एथनिक लुक बनाया है जैसे first look with the blouse, so I will keep my accessories towards the ethnic style. Is this Korean top is not really giving very much young vibes and also complementing this sari so well. आज तक बेटियां अपनी मदर की वार्डरोब को शफल आउट करके उसमें से अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े ढूंढ कर पहनती आई हैं, लेकिन लेडीज़ दिस इज़ योर टर्न. अगर आपकी बेटियों की वार्डरोब में भी ऐसी कुछ कोरियन टॉप्स हैं ना जो आपकी साड़ी के साथ कॉम्प्लीमेंट करती हैं, and you are one of those luckiest moms who fit in their tops, then please go ahead and do the experiment with your saris. They look really very chic. Of course, I need not to mention here that how much these long shrugs slash jackets are trending these days. They literally look good on everything. I mean everything. With jeans, with skirts, with saris, with suits, and everything. So go ahead and try one of them for sure. Okay, now coming to this next look, which I feel that this is the most formal look in this video. I have created this look by pairing my simple black crop top with this Leheria black sari. Earlier I have paired this crop top many times with denim, skirts and everything literally, but this time I am pairing it with the sari. So आपको अगर ऐसी crop tops मिल जाए ना जो आपकी body पे exact fit होती हैं, then you need not to put your head in the blouses. Of course for the well known reasons. One, एक तो ये crop top blouse से ज़्यादा लंबी है, so no skin show, and second no alterations. Actually सच बताऊँ ना, इन crop tops के साथ मुझे तो life काफ़ी sorted लगती है. To set another example, I have taken this yellow button down shirt which is also a crop shirt. उसको मैंने फिट करने के लिए एज टू गिव इट अ लुक ऑफ अ ब्लाउज अपने फ्रंट पे दो प्लीट्स क्रिएट करके एक सेफ्टी पिन के साथ सिक्योर कर लिया है. एंड नाउ कम ऑन, हु कैन टेल मी आई एम पेयरिंग अ साड़ी विद अ शर्ट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स by giving the right company of good accessories with this young and vibrant outfit, we will complete our look and make it a top notch look. And here I should not forget to mention that अगर आप अपनी साड़ी कुछ इस तरह से स्टाइल करते हो, साड़ी का जो पल्लू है उसको दुपट्टा स्टाइल में लेते हो, देन कितनी भी हवा हो, यहाँ पे मैं आई एम शूटिंग आउटसाइड, तो इतनी हवा में भी मेरी साड़ी इज़ नॉट मेसिंग अप. आई एम जस्ट हैंड्स फ्री. तो आपको तो फिर भी अपने एसी वाले ऑफिस में काम करना है. बट स्टिल इफ़ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद दैट लुक और आप अपनी क्रॉप टॉप या शर्ट के साथ साड़ी पेयर कर रहे हो, देन प्लीज़ कंसिडर लूजिंग योर पल्लू ऑन योर वेस्ट बिकॉज दिस विल कॉम्प्लीमेंट योर कॉलर्ड शर्ट वेल. Now jumping to the most difficult part of sari, which is organza sari. तो ऑर्गेन्जा साड़ी को अगर आप टेम करना चाहते हो ना, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ एक कमर पे सेफ्टी पिन वी बनाते हुए और दूसरा अपने पल्ले की 3-4 प्लीट्स बनाने के बाद एक सेफ्टी पिन. एंड दैट इज़ ऑल. यू हैव टेम द ऑर्गेन्जा साड़ी फॉर द होल डे. आप मानोगे कि ये कुछ इस तरह से आप इसकी प्लीट्स कभी भी ओपन कर सकते हो और कभी भी इसको क्लोज्ड पल्लू में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. सो बोथ वेज you are sorted. This is also a crop top which I am wearing right now because I want to dress down this साड़ी. इसमें जो golden border है, इसके ब्लाउज में भी वही golden border है. So office के लिए that look does not look much appropriate. So to dress down, I have paired it with this crop top, which is actually making this saree work appropriate. And for this next look, I have paired this bandhani sari with the loafers and a long satin top. I think I am falling in love with this look. साड़ी lightweight है, ब्लाउज स्किन को अच्छे से कवर कर रहा है, लोफर्स आर ऑल डे comfortable shoes और इसके अलावा neatly tied hair. What else we need in the office to work if we are there for 8 to 9 hours. लुक को इंडो वेस्टर्न लुक देने के लिए यहाँ पे छोटे से डेलिकेट इयररिंग्स ऐड किए हैं विद अ बिंदी एंड अ वॉच. दैट इज़ ऑल. सो these are the looks which I have created today for all those my lovely ladies who don't have their blouses due to some reason with the sari, or for all my young girls who want to try their mom's sari, or for everyone who is already uncomfortable in their office with those short blouses, deep neck blouses. They can really try all these looks. And don't forget to subscribe this channel because I always keep on sharing such quick fashion ideas on my channel. Don't forget to share this video with someone who is already in love with sarees, and dropping a heart here if you really love the ideas would means a lot to me. Please consider checking out my Instagram page on the name of Style with Senorita only, and I would really love to connect over there also. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching. Take care and bye.